sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, June the 3rd. I'm James Spann. Clouds will linger across Alabama, maybe a little rain in spots, heavier storms over the southeastern corner of the state, but then the weekend looks pretty good. And a new tropical storm will likely form today in the far southern Gulf of Mexico. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. Initially, we thought that surface boundary would be through here by this morning, but it's not. The ridge has been holding, but with time, it will get through here. We do note that we've got a fairly large mass of mostly light rain over eastern Mississippi, and that's beginning to creep into West Alabama, so we'll have to maintain the chance of some rain across the state today. Temperatures this morning, mostly upper 60s and low 70s. Highs only in the low 80s today. Some spots may be holding in the 70s all day because of clouds. There's the watch warning map, pretty quiet across the country. The main issue, it's the tropical storm warnings in effect for the southern part of Florida. There's a marginal risk of severe storms for the southern tip of Florida as well. Several risks of severe storms across the country today. One marginal risk clipping the southeastern corner of the state. Places like Andalusia, Enterprise, Troy, Dothan, and Eufaula. Some of the storms there might produce small hail and gusty winds this afternoon. This is tomorrow. Again, a marginal risk over South Florida with a tropical feature. Also a marginal risk over the southern Great Plains. And day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk over much of Kansas and some of the adjacent states. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, really not that much here. This is suggesting amounts will be under a quarter of an inch for most of Alabama between now and Friday morning of next week. The really big numbers, of course, down across South Florida. So here's a look at our developing tropical system. This is technically now potential tropical cyclone 1. Still disorganized, but this will likely become Alex later today. But the issue with this thing is not the wind, but the rain. This will be coming across South Florida tomorrow as a minimal tropical storm, just a big rainmaker. Heaviest rain should be south of Interstate 4, where amounts could be in the 6 to 10 inch range, especially for places like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West, Fort Myers. But the weather there should improve on Sunday. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. You can see troughing coming through here. And again, clouds linger much of the day with a slower push of dry air. This is the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock, showing a little light rain through parts of north and central Alabama. So clouds today, some light rain, temperatures holding in the 70s much of the day. Then tomorrow, a brighter day. The sun back in full force, the high in the middle 80s. Sunday, partially sunny with upper 80s. And again, there could be a few isolated little pop-up showers Sunday afternoon, but probably not many. And that's going to be the theme for next week. Pretty quiet. This is Monday. Tuesday, a surface front north of the state. There might be a little elevated chance of a shower near the Tennessee state line, but most of Alabama dry. Same thing Wednesday. Better chance of showers near the Tennessee state line. Same thing Thursday. Highs next week will be close to 90 through much of the week. And this is a week from today, Friday, June the 10th. Ridge in the west, trough in the east. And again, just a few isolated showers around. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June 13th. Again, troughing over the eastern states. And again, that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham. This is off the European ensemble. It does ramp up a better chance of rain out there toward mid-June. This is suggesting the totals could exceed 2 inches. The mean is a bit over 2 inches. Temperatures, 83 today, and that might be generous. We might hold in the 70s much of the day. Upper 80s over the weekend, highs at or just over 90 next week. The NBM here has 94 Wednesday, probably closer to 90. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for June 10th through June 16th. North Alabama, below average. South Alabama, a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today